What up, everyone? Nick here with Bulls and Bears FX Academy. I thought I'd do a little quick live stream of what's about to happen here in the next 10 minutes. The Royal Bank of New Zealand, they have their official cash rate and their RBNZ monetary policy statement. Essentially, they're going to determine whether they're going to raise the interest rate or whether they're going to keep it the same. So this will have a major impact on the New Zealand dollar and all of the currency pairs that are paired with it. If the cash rate remains unchanged and kept at 1.75%, then that will trigger a bull run for the New Zealand dollar. And if it is changed, then that's going to cause the New Zealand dollars to weaken. So right now, I am short right now on Euro NZD and the British Pound NZD. The market sentiment right now is that they aren't going to change the interest rate and they're going to keep it the same. So we will literally see here in the next 10 minutes. So let me just walk you through my analysis really quickly. So really what I like to do is start on the monthly time frame and identify my support and resistance. Um, and I can see like right now, price is trading in the small range right here. Price is trading in this range. And this is a thousand pip range. Cool. So then this is what is called a top-down analysis, by the way. Then I go to the weekly time frame, and I can see that there's this weekly support and resistance right here that it's currently rejecting. And technically, we're still in the downtrend. So I see that this is going to be a catalyst for a big move down. Where's my arrow? Big move down, at least to here. Short term will be to this 200 EMA. The EMAs are exponential moving averages, and they serve as dynamic support and resistance. And I use 5 of them: the 5, 13, 50, 200, and the 800 EMA. So I'll go down to the daily time frame, and I see that price is rejecting this zone right here. See the wicks? They are rejecting this zone. Buyers tried to drive the price up and they got rejected. That's what that means. That's why you see the big long wicks right here. And this is on the daily time frame. So each of these candlesticks mean it represents 24 hours worth of price action and movement. So then I go into the 4 hour. Okay. And here we are. So the 4 hour. So right now I have a 50 pip stop loss. So if this goes south and if they do increase the interest rate, then this is gonna fly up instead of down. Um, so I have a 50 pip stop loss and 490 pip TP. So this is a 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio, really good. And I can also draw this zone right here. This is my resistance zone, and that's where price is being rejected right now. So we got 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, then also I'm short on British pound, New Zealand dollar. Same thing. Do my top-down analysis. So it's pretty interesting. I drew a Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci is essentially hidden support and resistance levels. And so I can see that the 200 EMA is hitting right at around the 50% Fibonacci level. So essentially, we are in a downtrend. So here's a high. So I'll do high. Definition of a downtrend, it has to make a lower highs and lower lows. So here's my high. Trying to hurry up. Here's my low. So now it's made its lower high already. So if I lower high, so if I boom, lower high, so it needs to make a lower low. So the lower low would be like down here, something lower low. Cool. So it needs to come down here if this definition holds true. So I do my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, boom. So I'm projecting it to go to at least the negative 23.6, boom, in this zone right there, which is another support zone. So in this area. So, boom. Because we see rejection here. Boom. Multiple rejections, actually. We got 4 minutes. Okay, cool. So that's on the weekly time frame. So let's zoom into the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you can see that here this resistance zone, and price has been trying to break past it, and it hasn't been able to. It's been unsuccessful. So as long as these candles close underneath this yellow zone, we're going to be good. If this 4-hour candle, closed above, then we'd be in some trouble. So for this trade, I have a 30 pip stop loss, 385 pip take profit, but I think it's going to drop even lower to like here, to this zone. All right, we got 3 minutes. So with this prediction, we think that if the interest rate is unchanged, then NZD is going to appreciate in value. So this should shoot up. We got 3 minutes. So this should shoot up. And yeah, look at it. It's just consolidating right now. It's building up, building up, building up. I believe the term is accumulation. It's accumulating orders. And it's going to blast off. Let's see. All right, we got 2 minutes. And I've been working on our course. Course is almost ready. It should be done by the end of the month. Really excited to share the course with everyone and to help everyone become financially free by learning how to trade in the foreign exchange market. So I'm really excited. All right, we got 2 minutes. Shit. Let me 1 hour time frame, see what's going on. All right, we got a minute. $15-minute time frame. Damn, it's trying to shoot up. Shit. 15 seconds. Oh. Oh shit. Look at it. There it goes. There it goes. Woo! There it goes, baby. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh! Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Oh! Go, 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 go. Look at that. Look. Oh. Shit. Interest rates were unchanged. Look at that. I'm up $200 right now. Look at that. Guys, this is how you print money. Learn the skill if you want to print money. Look at that. Look at that. On point. On point. On fucking point. Oh! Look at that. Oh! Let me save this. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. Flip. Yeah. $238 pips. You saw it live right now. 238 pips. One candle. That's how you do it right there. Look at that. All right, guys. So if you want to learn how to do this, how to literally print money, this is a skill that nobody can take away from you. This is a skill that'll change your life. If you want to learn how to do this, my course will be available here pretty soon. And I really look forward to, working with each and every single one of you.